Now to the other deal that has Wall Street buzzing. Advanced talks between toy giant Hasbro and the film studio DreamWorks Animation. Investors seem to like the idea of Shrek teaming up with My Little Pony. DreamWorks shares looked like a big box office hit, up 14%, while Hasbro shares actually declined more than 4%. Julia Borston takes a look at the proposed deal and what the two companies stand to gain or lose.
While DreamWorks Animation makes movies and Hasbro toys, they're both creating brands and trying to cash in on them across platforms.
From a margin perspective, DreamWorks business is a lower margin profile. From a content evolution and what we're seeing in the industry, this would provide them the capabilities to be more competitive.
To diversify away from the risky movie business and reliance on a few films a year, CEO Jeffrey Katzenberg has made deals to bring hit brands Shrek and How to Train Your Dragon into new businesses. Katzenberg struck a big content deal with Netflix. He's expanding into digital content by buying YouTube network Awesomeness TV. And he's teamed up with the Chinese government to build a theme park and movie studio. Meanwhile, Hasbro is already a force in entertainment. Its movies, including Paramount's hit Transformers and G.I. Joe franchises, have grossed $3.7 billion worldwide. But its Battleship film bombed in 2012, and in September, it sold part of its TV joint venture to Discovery after that channel failed to compete. While Hasbro could benefit from more movie revenue and the power of films to revive toy brands, analyst Eric Handler is skeptical about this deal.
Getting involved in the feature film business is a very risky endeavor, and I just don't see that being of good value for Hasbro and its shareholders.
Another risk, Hasbro has a valuable licensing deal with Disney to make Marvel and Star Wars toys and its Princess franchise starting in 2016. Disney may not want its toy maker to back movies from its competition. We'll see if the two companies can tackle that issue and agree to a price. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Julia Borston in Los Angeles.